Hi! Welcome back to my channel. My name is May. Today we're going to be doing a makeup with May video. I have all my makeup products, so we're just going to kind of do this. I do plan on doing like a talking video, but this one's just going to be silent, so put it on in the background if you just need something to look at. Also, this is my hair if you guys haven't seen it yet. It is fairly new. I got it like 2 weeks ago, but this is like my new hair for like a period of time. Yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna be listening to a podcast whilst I do my makeup, but I will pause it to come like in and out and basically like share with you like little tips and tricks and stuff. But I will be showing all of like my products on the screen so you know what is what. But other than that, let us get into it. If you're new here, make sure to like, comment and subscribe before we get started. Oh my gosh, I forgot to point out, like, we're not talking about my nails. My nails are like completely like, I need to redo them, right? Like this hand I redid, but this hand didn't need redoing, and now this hand is like completely gone. It's like all of the nails now, so I have to do a whole it's so much work, it's so much effort. I'm gonna need you guys to just like ignore this hand and don't let it take away from the makeup, okay? Okay.
Ginger in ginger ale. I do, but it might be like, well, I have to see it. You know, the Canada Dry and Schweppes, the big brands are practically real ginger beer, excuse me. And
I love how before I said like, oh, I'm not gonna keep pausing, this is gonna be like ASMR, not ASMR, but like calm, put this on in the background, listen with the music. No. I have something else to inform you guys about. I recently stopped wearing lashes. I didn't really like broadcast it. I kind of did. I made a video about it, being like, the no lash phase is here to stay, yada yada yada. If you didn't know, or if you knew, I used to wear lashes pretty much all the time. I stopped like 2 weeks ago, and I've been using this is not sponsored by the way, I just need to preface that, this new like lash serum. It's called Lustrous Advanced, an extreme lash growth kit serum thing, and I use it every single night, and I've noticed my lashes have grown so much, like it's actually insane. Anyways, let me do my mascara now. Okay, I've done my mascara. I saw this girl. I know we keep pausing. What can I say? I saw this girl on Red Note, and she like does her lashes with these. Like she'll like tweeze them to basically like make them look like manga lashes. Tried that, didn't work. It looked like my lashes just no. Okay, I'm done with my makeup now. Oh my god, it looks so good. Sure, it looks shiny because I didn't use any powder. I never do.
I never fall. A lot of hoes get me they numbers, but I never.
I'm not gonna sing this time. I don't wanna get demonetized. My makeup looks good. I really liked how I'm doing it lately. I do look severe. I look like someone just went and chucked a giant bottle of oil on my face. Should we try the powder? I hate powder. I'm gonna try the powder. I'm gonna do it so lightly, but I'm gonna try the powder because I don't like to look shiny all the time, just like some of the time. I'm gonna try. Let's go. Let's go. I'm not gonna take you with me, but let's go. Come on, let's go. Okay, I'm finally done with my makeup. This is kind of like what it looks like. I might just take some pictures and put them on the screen here. But yeah, this is like the finished like makeup look. I just spent that entire time talking whilst the podcast was on. This is like my first video with my new camera. But yeah, let me flip the camera so you guys get a better look at my makeup. Okay, so this is my makeup. Ignore all the products there. I might even blur them out. You do not need to see all that. But yeah, this is like my makeup. Yeah, this is like the finished makeup look. I did use powder and like look at the disaster that is. Like my my sink completely destroyed. But yeah, this was literally where I was filming, so hopefully you got a clear picture of like how I do everything. This is the makeup. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye bye. Okay, now to clean the mess.